Choosing the right plant for a nursery room. Hello, dear friends. Today we want to talk about plants that are suitable for a child's room. Plants not only add beauty and freshness to the room, but they can also purify the air and improve the quality of sleep and the child's health. In this video, we will introduce a few popular and suitable plants for a child's room. However, not all plants are suitable for infants and children. Some plants are toxic and should be avoided. Choosing a non-toxic plant is the first step, and the second step is deciding where to place it in the room. When it comes to nursery room decor, nothing complements the ensemble like the softness and tranquility of a beautiful plant. Besides their aesthetic appeal, adding the right plant to a nursery room has additional benefits. For instance, plants can increase oxygen levels and absorb and eliminate harmful elements from the air. Being meticulous when choosing a plant for your baby's room is perfectly justified. You might wonder, is it harmful to have plants in a nursery? According to feng shui techniques, plants can significantly enhance the harmony and positive energy of a space. Interestingly, having plants can reduce infants' anxiety levels, helping them fall asleep faster and enjoy longer, peaceful dreams. As new parents, wouldn't you love this tremendous aid? All these positive features probably make you consider using plants in your beloved baby's room. If you live in a busy city with polluted air, placing a plant in the nursery can play a vital role in air purification. Plants can eliminate up to 87% of air pollutants. This percentage includes volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde, which are present in everyday items such as plastics, ink, and more. Best plants for a nursery and children's room. 1. Pachira money tree. You will probably teach your child that money doesn't grow on trees, not even on the money tree. The name of this tree comes from feng shui, as it is said that Pachira brings positive energy and good luck to its owner. Things you undoubtedly wish for your beautiful baby's future. With its braided trunk and bright, palm-like leaves, Pachira looks like a mix between a tree and a palm. This child-friendly, non-toxic plant is also one of the best air purifiers. 2. Chamaedorea Palm. This indoor palm, with its upright growth, will bring a tropical vibe to your baby's room. Generally, palms are well suited for filling empty spaces like corners or entryways due to their layered and dense leaves. The Chamaedorea palm excels at air purification and can tolerate low sunlight very well. 3. Spider plant. If you're looking for a plant to hang in a corner or place on shelves, the spider plant is an excellent choice. Not only does it have a unique appearance, but it is also one of the best air purifying plants. The spider plant can remove about 90% of the carcinogen formaldehyde from the air. 4. Bird's nest fern. This plant is completely safe and non-toxic for children and pets, and it is also a powerful air purifier. 5. Red Maranta. This particular type of Maranta is known for its soft, dark green leaves adorned with bright green and red veins. Apart from Maranta, this plant is also known as the prayer plant. This name comes from the unique folding of its leaves in the evening, resembling hands folded in prayer. 6. Ficus Elastica. Are you searching for a plant with yellow and pink veins? Ficus Elastica is one of the beautiful and colorful plants that you can confidently place in your baby's room. This plant will remain resilient and beautiful for years, so it's likely to become part of your child's memories. 7. Fittonia. Fittonia is a small, incredibly beautiful plant that thrives in shade. For this reason, it can be an excellent choice for mini planters and terrariums. Fittonia has limited diversity, with all varieties having small leaves. If you're keen on decorating the nursery with small, miniature plants, Fittonia is definitely a suitable choice for you. When watering, use room temperature water to avoid shocking the plant. Final notes: always make sure that plants are out of reach of children to prevent potential hazards. Before purchasing a plant, be sure to research to ensure that your chosen plant is safe for children. Avoid toxic plants or place them in areas inaccessible to children. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or know of another plant suitable for a child's room, be sure to share it with us in the comments. Until the next video, goodbye.